You're looking at the Rock Ola 1493 Princess model from 1962. This was considered the junior model. The other full-size Rock Olas played either 120 selections or 200 selections. This one has a compact cabinet. In fact, it was highlighted, and according to Rock Ola's own advertising, it was called All-Purpose Stereophonic Monaural Compact Console Phonograph. Almost a contradiction in terms. Full stereophonic amplifier. However, the cabinet, being a more compact cabinet, only had room for just monaural speakers, but it is a high-fidelity unit. Sounds great. What makes these popular today is that very reason, is that it's very small footprint, and you'll see in just a few moments how pretty they look. This one has the full view mechanism. It's one of the last Rock Olas to have a really good view of the entire mechanism. So let's go ahead and listen to the Rock Ola Princess.